Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Elevate token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Elevate is a layer 1 blockchain ecosystem designed to simplify on-chain data analytics and decentralized trading for users. For purpose, it aims to demystify blockchain data and DEX trading through user-friendly tools. Technical foundation, it operates on its own proprietary layer 1 blockchain secured by a network of nodes. Governance model, the network is governed by a decentralized community of nodes owners. Elevate token total supply is 30.75 billion and circulating supply is also 30.575 billion Elevate token. Elevate token is listed on Uniswap, B4 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chance is that it is a very good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.